Hello children, in the video you will study about the importance of the forest. How much important of forest in our life. Yeah, how much important forest for the living beings. Forest provide many things what we need. And beside they play a very important role in the maintaining the environmental balance. Then they balance our environment, they our atmosphere. But in the, we can't see directly. We have to feel it. We have to observe it. After that we can say that forests are very important for our earth. So we have to save them. The first one is our source of variety of products. Different kinds of things, different kinds of material, different kinds of product obtained by the plants or the forest. They are called forest product. Some of important product which we get from the forest are like honey, most important thing, gum, sealing wax, flax, जिसका मोहर बनती seal, केचू, कत्था that is used by the in the pan, fruits, oils, spices, natural rubber, cork, dyes means coloring material, medicinal plants, and fodder means fodder for cattle means the food for the animals or the wandering animals that live in the forest. They depend on the forest for their food. You are seeing the picture. This is a gum, this is a katha, cashew, and all the fruits they mainly found in the forest. Forest means from the plants. The second is we are depend for the food. They are source of food. Some trees like teak, shisham, rosewood, source of wood. They have the good quality of wood. Is used to make furniture because their wood is full of oil, so we can drop different kinds of architecture in the wood, and we can cut easily and bend them easily. And as well as the in the boat, making of boat, sports good like bat, like hockey stick, and the construction of houses. So these plants material, yeah, plants wood is good. And wood is also used for the fuel in the village areas and the tribal people, that is called firewood. And in many household as a source of heat for cooking food. As I told you, about in the village areas, in the tribal people, they use the wood as a firewood. And wood is also used for the production of paper. Without wood or a special kind of paper like wood, that is called papyrus. So that is used in making of paper, which is used for the making books, magazines, and newspaper. The third use is maintain balance of gases. This is you have studied in the class 6. Forests maintain the natural balance of carbon dioxide and the oxygen. They give oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. Sorry, they take the oxygen and give out the oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. That's why forests serve as the green lungs. They are called lungs of the nature, the lungs of the earth. The rainforest, Amazon rainforest are called the lungs of the earth. They produce 21% of the oxygen of the whole world, yeah, whole earth. Next is prevent soil erosion. The removal of top fertile soil. Removal means to wearing or tearing of soil. मिट्टी का बहना, टूटना. तो they save the erosion by wind, by rain, by river water. That is called soil erosion. So forest prevents soil erosion. The roots of trees bind the soil and save it from being washed away. So, as much tree you will grow, as much soil they will bind in their roots. Okay. Thus, forests prevent soil erosion, help in the conservation of soil, and with the help of this method, our soil remain healthy, our soil remain in of their proper place. So, we shall do the agriculture, we shall grow plants in more and more amount, and our top soil, layer of the soil will always remain where full of nutrients and humus. Okay. Next is provide food and shelter to the forest dwelling people. Forest dwelling people means people who depend on the forest, like tribal people that live in the forest, that live in the mountains, and the village people that are near that lives in the nearby places of the forest. Mainly many tribal people like Gond, Kharo, Garo, Khasi of our country live in forest. The forest provide them food. Shelter means living home, water, medicine. They don't come to take treatment of hospital. They use the Ayurvedic medicine found from the forest and use and take care of their self. And these things are provided by the plants and animals of the forest to take care of them. Next is maintain water cycle in nature. The forest trees suck water. Suck water means take water from the soil through their roots and release water vapor into the air in the process of transpiration. This water vapor helps in the formation of clouds and bring rain on the earth. So indirectly, forests play a major role in the water cycle. Forests bring sufficient rainfall on the earth, and you can see a clear symbol of lack of rainfall because plants are cutting down every day, and that's why we are not getting the enough rainfall like previous years. And forests help in maintaining nature perfect water cycle in nature. So it is our duty to plant more and more tree plants and make our water cycle good and give our earth a beneficial shot. And it is most important for freshwater requirements that is used by the humans or the living beings. If fresh water will not enrich or grow, yeah, the quantity of fresh water will remain short, then it is very difficult to survive on the earth for the living beings. Prevent floods and replenish groundwater means they save us from floods and increase the water level in the ground. The forest floor is covered with a lot of decaying material. This I have explained you. The forest bed, where the grassy plants are found, their decaying material like cow dung, urine, and dropping of birds, dying animals, they are all mixed into the forest floor. And very small vegetation like herbs, grass, due to which it behave like a giant sponge, like a cotton, and absorb most of the rainwater which falls down during heavy rains. They absorb and they just behave like a barrier between the sunlight and the water. So their evaporation happen very slow, and all most of the water seeps down inside the ground. The roots of trees and plants in forest help this rainwater to seep, as I told you, no, seep into the forest ground and raise the water table in the ground. Forests release the absorbed water slowly and steadily, steadily means in a continuous way, into the rivers through the soil. By holding back water and releasing it solely into river, the forest prevent the occurrence of floods. Because suppose that if the whole water of rainfall will go into the will release into the river, then what will happen? River already have the lot of water, and the the rainwater will go in there, so there will be the condition of floods increased. So the forest this way help to decrease the possibility of the floods and helps in maintaining the flow of water in the river throughout the year. This is the main work of the forest. Okay, I hope you understood.